now we're going to look at another motion block under this blue color circle, and today we're going to look into this turned block. Okay, with these two turned block, right now you can see there is clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, now let's make the characters to turn around, and the number inside here is about degree, and now we have a 15 degrees to turn the directions of your character. Okay, let's give him an event to make the characters to turn around, and let's choose this space key. Okay, so now let's try this first event. When we press the space key, and the character will turn in the clockwise for 15 degrees, and let's see what's happened with the character. Okay, you can see the character is turning step by step with 15 degree every turns, a small turning. If let's say we put a negative in front of this 15, what will happen with this character is that it will be turned in an opposite directions. It will become like counterclockwise. Okay, or you just simply like replace this with a counterclockwise 15 degree, and it will be turning the same directions with a 15 degree in the counterclockwise directions. Okay, or if you change the degrees into a bigger, like 36 degree, and it will be turning much more greater directions in the bigger, wider degrees of it. Okay, today our lesson is on this turn block, and we will see you in next tutorial again. Thank you very much.